Why is digital marketing so important? The next big hopes for the best results in business development and career growth. As the internet users across the world have been increased massively. By year on year, and when it compares to since 2000 to 2018, the ratio is increasing year by year. And by 2020 the active internet users are crossing 65% of the population across the world. The main reason to increase the active internet users in last few years is due to the high usage of smartphones, tablets, and other smart devices around the world. Considering all these points, the online marketing is a vast and broadly open to all the people around the world. Now let us know the importance and the advantages of digital marketing. The important thing in the digital marketing, it is very easy to adapt and connect with the target audience worldwide. There are multiple chapters under digital marketing category which is coming with different modules. The prime chapters in digital marketing courses: 1. Websites, for online presence. 2. Content marketing. 3. SEO, search engine optimization. 4. Google Ads. 5. Social media marketing / Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. 6. Email marketing. 7. Mobile marketing. 8. Social media optimization. 9. Online reputations management. 10. Analytics. So when the industrialist, business owner, service providers understand these methods, why those are very important in the digital marketing field and the need of online presence for any business in current situation, then this will become very easy to implement the online marketing strategies in their industry or field. Digital marketing job openings are everywhere around the world. Need to learn digital marketing courses thoroughly to perform well in the industry. The main channels of digital marketing courses. Websites. The online presence is very important to any of the business for the present generation in the current marketing situation, as without the website or information on online about your business which can't be taken far away. So that the websites which is having the complete details about your business and gives more information to your clients or consumers and makes them know more about your business and its functions. So without the online presence, it is hard to reach more people and create the awareness about the products and brand name. Content marketing. Why is content very important in digital marketing field or online marketing? As the content is the king of all the other chapters of digital marketing or online marketing, because when consumer visit a shop directly to purchase or inquire about any of the product in the shops, the shopkeeper will explain them thoroughly the features and benefits of the products. SEO, search engine optimization. This is one of the processes which allow you to list and run your websites online or search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com, AOL, Baidu, DuckDuckGo, etc. But the very important thing in this is it is not so easy to rank in SERP / search engine result page, as there are several websites have already been listed under these search engine platforms, so which needs to work hard to rank better in search engine result page. This process is called as a search engine optimization. Google Ads. Google Ads are one of the very best tools to promote the products, services, or brands, anywhere and everywhere across the world. To create a better campaign of your brand awareness and services, the Google Ads will provide a very good platform for the business owners, corporate sectors and the service providers around the world to reach their target audience through the Google AdWords channel. SMM, social media marketing. Social media marketing is one of the very effective methods in digital marketing strategies. The social media marketing tools are involved with various social media sites. These tools are very effective to reach the people around the world within a few seconds of time. The major SMM tools are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. These tools are very effective to reach the people around the world within a few seconds of time. By using or implementing the strategies of social media in any kind of services or business field is really going to give them the 100% results in their social media marketing campaigns. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the very old marketing methods and effective ways to send an individual newsletter and other subjects to the particular person by using the one's email ID. Mobile marketing. The word mobile marketing sounds very familiar to each of us due to the people are very familiar and fond of with this device. Hence, this will be one of the most important factors of marketing with this tool.